Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare the DJI Mavic 3 and Autel EVO Lite Plus. The DJI Mavic 3 and Autel EVO Lite Plus are both excellent customer drones offering advanced features for enthusiasts and professionals alike. The DJI Mavic 3 excels with its impressive camera capabilities, including a 4x3 CMO sensor and the ability to shoot 5.1K video at 50 FPS. It also offers exceptional flight time up to 46 minutes and boosts advanced safety features like obstacle sensor and all sights. Its OcuSync 3.0 transmissions ensure reliable and long-range control. The Autel EVO Lite Plus comes with a 50MP camera that shoots 6K video, offering fantastic image quality. It has a flight time up to 40 minutes and features autonomous flight mode like smart tracking. While it lacked the Mavic 3's advanced obstacle sensor, it still performs well in most conditions. In my opinion, the DJI Mavic 3 is a better choice for users seeking the best camera performance and longer flight times, especially if you need a professional-grade video. However, if you're looking for great value with a solid camera and don't need all the advanced features, the Autel EVO Lite Plus is an excellent alternative. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.